Hi, my name's Chris and I'm the Chorlton Scout Group Hedgehog Leader, and this week it's your third at-home Hedgehog Challenge. But first, let's take a look at some of the really creative and magnificent spaceships and rocket ships that we made for your Craft at Home Challenge. They were absolutely amazing. We had some really creative ideas, so well done to everybody. And remember, anybody who's not done the Craft at Home Challenge can go back, do it and still get your badge. This week it's your third at home challenge, and that is cooking at home. Now what we're going to do for your cook at home challenge is make armpit fudge. Sounds disgusting, but it's so yummy. So this is just a quick brief demonstration of how to do it. So send in the pics after you've done it and let's get seeing that armpit fudge. First thing you will need is a bag. So it needs to be sealed, be able to seal at the top. So I've got a clear, seal easy bag. And all you're going to do is you're going to dump all your ingredients straight into this bag, okay? So the first ingredient you need will be 50 grams of icing sugar. Now I've already weighed this out, so it goes straight in the bag. Second one that you're going to need is you're going to need cocoa powder. And what you need is 2 teaspoons, so this is the little spoon, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. So you've got 1, and then you've got 2, and that's in the bag. So I put that to one side. Next you're going to need 2 teaspoons of cream cheese. Now most of you probably don't eat cream cheese normally, so that's fine. So you just get 2 teaspoons of cream cheese, so that's 1 in the bag, 2 in the bag, and that's your cream cheese done with, so move that to one side. The next ingredient you're going to need is you're going to need 1 tablespoon of butter. So tablespoon is the big spoon, and you're just going to take a big scoop of the butter, like so, and put that in. That's your main ingredients for armpit fudge. Butter, cream cheese, cocoa powder and icing sugar. The exact amount that you have to use is on the screen now, and this will stay on the screen just for the next bit. What you're going to need next, after you put your 4 key ingredients in, is you need to put something in that's going to make it a little bit more of your flavour. So what I'm going to put in is I'm going to put in some decorative little Smarties into the bag. So I'm going to put a few in there. There we go, a few Smarties in there. And I am also going to add in a little drop of vanilla essence. You can add in orange essence, whichever one you like. Just going to add a little drop into the bag, and that will make it a little bit more vanilla-y. There we go, that's in the bag. So you've got your 4 main ingredients. You've got any other yummy bits of ingredients. You've got Smarties, marshmallows in there, a little bit of flavouring. And all you do is you're going to seal the bag at the top. Before you seal it all the way, make sure all air is pressed out of the bag. So all the air is pressed out. Seal it at the top like that. Fold the bag over. And all you're going to do with that is put it straight under your armpit. Give it a squeeze. Make sure all those ingredients get rummaged about in there. So after pressing that underneath your armpit for a little while, all those ingredients should now be mixed together. So you should have a bag that looks roughly like this. So it's brown, it's got some streaks at the top. What we're going to do is you're going to get a teaspoon and you're just going to gently push from the top of the bag down towards the bag. So you get quite a lot of the chocolatey bit that you created, which is the fudge, that push down to the bottom of the bag. So when you open it, it's a lot less disgusting there for you. So you push it down, and all you're going to do, open the bag, grab a teaspoon, and tuck right in. Look at that. And there you have armpit fudge. Grab a spoon, tuck in, share it with your parents, share it with your sisters and brothers. Make sure everybody gets a bit of your armpit fudge.